everyone. Today we're going to be working in our Purple Math booklet, and we are going to be working on lesson 3. So lesson 3 looks like this, but before we get started on what the workbook is, let's do a quick lesson here. So when we're thinking about numbers, numbers can be thought about in a couple different ways. One of the ways that we can think about them is as tens and ones. So if I have a number like 65, I want you to show on your fingers how many of those are tens. If you are showing 6 fingers right now, you are right. There are 6 tens. And then how many ones are there? Show with your fingers. You're right, there are 5 ones. So one of the ways that I can show this is by drawing tens and ones. When we think about our base 10 blocks, just the long rod is how we show a 10. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 6 tens, 5 ones, 65. Now let's count by tens, then we'll add up the ones. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. This time we're going to do a little bit of a bigger number. But before we do that, let's remind ourselves what a hundreds block looks like. That one looks like this when we draw it, because there's normally 10 rods in there to make up 100. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 is normally how many rods would be in there and how many units. 1 rod is a 10 and 1 unit for the 1. So the number that we're going to do today is 117. So we're going to think how many 100s? There's 1 100. How many tens? 1 10. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for this lesson, there's 3 pages for lesson 3. You're going to do tracing of the number, writing down how many tens and how many ones, and then drawing it in base 10, just like we were doing. There's 2 pages like that. And then the last part is over here, you will be writing down how many tens and how many ones. So if I look over here at the number 29, say out loud how many tens there are. You're right, there's 2 tens. And how many ones? You're right, 9 ones. If you have any questions, you can just email me or give me a call, and I'd love to help you out.